Hello, good morning. Today's date is 14 September 2021, and my name is Nilesh Hanumant Shinde, and I am going to describe today's video topic. The today's video topic name is uh, 5 types of the SQL queries. So we know that the SQL is a language which is used for the communicate between the database and uh, our Java technology or Spring or Spring Boot. So we using the SQL queries. We are using the SQL queries to communicate and get the data from the database. So now we discuss the some types of the queries or SQL queries. So there are the first type, that means it's a basic queries, means when we write a query to display some names, and for example we have to know the first name of the any person and last name of the any person, then we can use the using alias names, first name or last name. Then this type is a general basic types. We have to when we have to get a unique ID or unique department name or any other properties which has a uniqueness or unique name. So these queries are the we categorize as a basic queries. And there is a next type of the queries is means restriction data or the sorting data queries. That means that type of query has have any condition where it gives any condition, and according to this condition we have to perform or we have to get some data from the database. For example, the query is write or get a data from the table which name is starting from just like any number which name is starting from Java, and which salary is greater than 1000. So this type of data, this type of queries which is restrict our which is type of the restriction and the sorting data. And simply we can say that select star from table where the name is like Java and the salary is greater than 1000. So this type of the queries is known as a restriction or sorting data. And after that there is some special functions which is between like, and between like is null, and between distinct when we have to get values which is between the range. For example, the select the employees which salary is between the 1000 and 10,000 to 20,000. So this type of query we can get the data from the SQL table by using the between keywords. And there is some other keywords like keyword, is, and distinct. Means distinct keyword we are using when we want to get data from the SQL table which is unique. It means the duplicate values are removed from our table. Only unique values we are getting from the table. And the next type of the SQL queries, that means the aggregate function. Here are some aggregate function we are using while we are writing the SQL queries. These queries are the average, count, maximum, minimum, and sum. By using this keyword we are getting a data according to our requirement. means when we have required a maximum value or the minimum value, then by using this keyword we are getting data from our SQL table. Thank you.